Remember Birdy Sanders? Yeah, that one. Look at him now. I mean, that's probably him. This one right here. So that is a juvenile European starling. It's now a little over 3 weeks later, so that very well could be him at the fledgling stage. It's up on the bird feeder, but not actually jumping up there to get any food. It's just kind of sitting there and squawking and demanding that the adult starlings just give it some food, which is kind of what they do at this stage. But anyway, hopefully that's Birdy Sanders, and hopefully he figures out how to eat on his own. Oh, making some progress. Do it. Do it. He's been sitting there squawking for like 20 minutes, hoping someone would feed him. Pooped. Eat your food. Nah, just gonna squawk. Definitely a boy.